Hello guys, welcome back to my channels, and today I'm going to talk about once again Clownfish voice. This will be my third video for my channel. So here I got lot of comment. All right, I upload two video for this Clownfish voice, and I got a lot of comment about this Clownfish voice problem. My microphone is not working, or the sound headphone and all, the voice is not changing and all. So there's a lot of comment, and I put my Discord link in. I just pin the Discord link in my comment section, and people join my Discord, and there are a lot of problem approaching me about this Clownfish voice. So I just want to talk about. This will be my last video for this Clownfish voice. Okay, so once again I'll make one more time for you guys. All right, if you guys are looking for the Clownfish voice changer, those want to prank your friend, or for your recording, or any kind of things which you're looking for, all right, I'll just show you. Okay, but before that, don't skip any video. Okay, just follow what I say. Okay, I'll just show step by step what to do, what you need to do, and what are the requirement. It is simple. All right, I'm using this microphone. Okay, this is mono AU4 condension mic, and most of the this like viewer who are commenting is not working, that because I will recommend two things. Okay, if you use separate microphone, or I don't have this microphone, but some headphone used to have microphone, right? You can use that. Yeah, and please do not use the earbud, the small size, the earpiece, right? So don't use that. I'll not recommend that, to use that things. It will not work. It will work, but the sound, the voice will change, but people can't hear your voice clearly. It will be like voice break. So use separate mic or headphone microphone and all. Okay, and don't use laptop microphone, laptop built-in microphone. Don't use that. All right, put your headset microphone and all this. So now, without further ado, I will just start the installation and all. Okay, and please show us support for my channel. Do subscribe it. All right, so I just need some right now I need some subscribers, so please help me out. Just hit it. Please help me out for that, so I will help you. Yeah, and if this video will be last video for this Clownfish voice. Okay, I used to check on the YouTube about Clownfish voice, and nobody has tell us the exact advice and all to use this. So I made already two videos. You can check my channel. Okay, and this will be my third video. Okay, third video on this same topic. All right, so here I will teach you how to work perfectly. All right, and please do like and subscribe and comment any. I will put my Discord link in the comment section. Join there. All right, join there and tell me what's the problem. Okay, so there you go. I already uninstalled the Clownfish voice in my system, so I'm going to show you right now. So I'll just close it, this one. Okay, here's my Google Chrome. All right, Clownfish voice changer, the first one. Click here. You guys already know it. Click the first one. Scroll down, and here I will recommend you to use Windows 10 Pro if you want to use this Clownfish voice, if you want to work smoothly, perfectly. All right, so I'll just I'm using the 64-bit. all right, so I'm going to download this one. Okay, so now it's already download. Click here. I'll directly open. Okay, and the sound if the sound stop, I'll restart. What you need to do is that once you click open here, start installing. Okay, Once you start installing, your system, your microphone might be silent. Okay, if it is silent, you must restart your system, you must restart your computer. Okay, and after the restart your computer, just open the Clownfish voice for the setup and all. Okay, so I'll show you later on. Okay, I'll install it. All right, so now I already installed it. Click here. Just click on the here microphone is open. Hello, 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 hello. Right, it'll now. I can't talk. So now you can hear your own voice if you click here. All right, after the installation. Okay, go to setup. First, after installation, I didn't touch anything, right? So do what I said. Okay, here, don't make any mistake.
You're here. Let me click here. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, this is...
Hello, 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 hello. Hello, check.
Hello, check. Hello, check, check. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, is it working?
Yes. Hello, hello, check. Hello, check. And here, this one.
Custom pitch, you can.
Just wherever you like, alright? You want high pitch?
So low pitch.
Alright.
Okay. So now, it's working, right? So if you
guys don't want to use the Clownfish voice anymore, okay, but just don't uninstall it. Okay, so wait a sec. What I'm trying to say is that you're using
The voice change and all. Voice change.
while you're doing your work, all right? And after you want to go back to the normal, all right? For example, you don't want to bring anyone anymore, okay? Just click here, clear effect.
clear effect. That's it. You don't have to close. You don't have to uninstall, or you don't have to exit here. You don't have to click here. Just clear the effect. That's it. It'll give the normal voice. It will come back your normal voice. Okay. So the now I'm coming to this problem part. All right. Click here. Setup. Don't uncheck these two. Okay. Start with Windows. Play on and off. All right. Don't uncheck. You need to be checked this one. System integration. Okay. And I'm going to talk about two parts in this Clownfish voice. Okay, this video may be a bit longer, but yeah. Okay, so on my system Windows 10 Pro, the GFX detect. All right, GFX is detecting. Okay, the integration mode, and you will see the default your microphone. Which microphone you're using. Before I start installation, I already told you I recommend separate microphone or the headphone microphone. Okay, don't use the earbud and all, earbud or any laptop microphone. Okay, so choose your microphone, and if it is for those people, all right, after the installation, if it is not working, okay, just try to remove the microphone here. Just try to remove your microphone. Remove. Okay. Do one thing. First, you should go to the device manager. All right. device manager. If your sound is silent or it's not working, then just remove the microphone first. In Clownfish voice, remove the microphone and close all this thing. Okay, close all this thing and go to device manager, scroll down. Alright, you will see your microphone here, microphone driver. So if it is not working, maybe the microphone, your computer microphone driver problem maybe. So you can right click, choose your microphone and right click, disable. Alright, disable and enable, try it. Okay, and if you uninstall the device, okay, if you uninstall the device, you need to restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, the new driver will update. Your microphone will be updated by itself. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. Once you uninstall or disable the microphones, your mic will stop work. It will stop working. Okay, so you need to restart the system. And what was that? Wait, I need to rewind all the comments. Alright, I need to rewind all the comments. So if you clear the effect here, see that if you clear the effect, it will be unchecked here. It is not checking. And if your voice is changed, it will show tick the check mark here. Alright, first don't forget here, first, if you're testing your own voice, is it working or not, click on the hear microphone, and once you test it, oh, now my voice is changing. If it is working, and if you start recording or any kind of streaming, praying others and all, then you must turn off the hear microphone. Don't forget to turn off the hear microphone while you're using for the recording and all. Okay, do not turn off. So what I say, you can try this 4 mode: LPX, MFX, or SFX mode. All right, you can try all these 4. Once you click here, try installing remove your before that, click on the SFX and remove the microphone and install it again. Okay, so now I hope the problem will fix after watching my video. All right, so what is that? Microphone used to get silent and all. Okay, some viewer used to ask question about, I don't want to use anymore this thing. So I don't want to change. I don't want to change my voice anymore. Right? They used to ask all this question. Okay, so before I told you, just click on the clear effect. Okay, it will stop work. It will not change the voice. It will come back to the normal voice. So now I'll
click on the male pitch. Is it working? You guys may know I didn't hear anything. All right. So here, if you turn off the hear microphone, you don't say that I can hear my voice change. You cannot hear yourself. You cannot hear yourself if you turn off this hear microphone. Okay. If you turn on, all right, you can't speak. It will get annoying, like a echo and all, right? So for that, this is hear microphone just to taste your voice change. All right. So if it is the voice changer start working, just turn off.
You can use the female helium baby page
radio and all. All right, all these things you can use.
There, you can change here. Hello, check. Hello, check.
All right, so now I'm going to talk about the most interesting part. Is that the second part is how to add music. Even you can add the music. Okay, I'll just close. Go to this one. where is it, the music one? Wait. Music player. I already add from the click here and add your folder. Add your audio. So this is the audio which I added just now. Alright, I'm going to play. Stop that. All right, so this is your what is it, your system audio, right? This is the system audio, and if you want to put internet from the YouTube and all right, click here, choose the YouTube song, copy, and you can paste it here. All right, it say internet video or audio, right? Paste it, add. All right, this is the first one, right? Click on play. And you can adjust your this music volume from here. And if you want, so yeah, if you have any problem about this Clownfish music player, there will be a second. Just check it out in my channel. There will be for this music player video. Check it out. All right. So now I've already told you how you have to download it, how you have to check your microphone and all. All right. About the Discord. Okay. I'll just open my Discord. I'll just show you how to set up the microphone. So now this is my Discord, okay? So there's a lot of tons of messages from this Clownfish voice. They're texting me about these things. All right, so I'm going to solve them one by one. Okay, so what you need to do is that go to the setting and all. Where is the setting? The microphone setting. Wait. All right, voice and video, right? Voice and video. The input device, okay, input device, you need to choose your microphone. All right, this is my microphone. Voice meter output, VV audio. All right, this is my microphone. Okay, this is what I'm using, and you will see your microphone, which microphone you're using. You need to choose that. After that, output. All right, even the output, you choose your speaker. All right, which speaker you're using, you need to choose the speaker. Look here. All right, so that's it, just like that, just like this. All right, go to your game setting, go to this microphone setting. All right, choose the microphone, this input and output, so that the Clownfish voice will work even in your game and all. They can hear the voice change and all. Okay. Alright, so guys, that's it for this video. Alright, thank you guys for watching my video, and if you do have here this video maybe a bit longer, alright, so you guys maybe are getting bored, but just what I have experienced, and I got a lot of this comment and all, so I just want to clarify for this Clownfish voice. This will be my last video for the Clownfish voice. If you do have any question, I'll fix it through the Discord, so you must join the Discord. Right, subscribe and join my Discord, and I'll solve you live through the screen share. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you next time, and